Hello, everyone. I wanted to share a few things with you that I have been trying lately. A few updates on my online teaching experience. I have tried a few different things to make sure that my online teaching income is steady. Since there have been many changes in 5-1 Talk, I have uh, had a little bit of concern as to what the future with this company will be. They are going to more of a group class format, which has proven to be a little bit rocky as a start to as far as their bookings level for some teachers. Mine have remained fairly consistent. Other teachers have expressed some difficulty in gaining bookings. I fortunately have been able to have fairly consistent bookings, but I always like to have plan A, B, C, and D just in place just in case because this is my sole income for our family. So I have tried a few other companies and I'll share with you my experience. I have tried Landy and their platform is great. Their programming is very fun and engaging for students. They base it on gaming theory, which I myself have written a few papers on, which children love to level up. They love the play mixed with the teaching, and it is a great way to help students learn. However, they are new with this also and are experiencing the downtime of a new platform with low bookings, but I believe that it will increase rapidly. I also have tried Cambly, which is so easy. You are able to uh, be hired on as a tutor for Cambly with certain requirements and then open your time schedule as you see fit. Wait for a call to come in and you get paid once a week. The pay is lower, but it is easy. They have materials for you. You just basically, most of the people I have been able to speak with basically want to practice conversation. Some want to listen, but most don't. They just want to practice speaking with a person who speaks native English, a native English speaker. Another company that I am working with also right now, in addition to 5-1 Talk, is Class 100. Now, this is a very different platform for me, and it's a little uncomfortable. It is way, way, way outside my comfort zone. Class 100 works with schools, and you are going into a school classroom with 30 to 50 students. Their bright and smiling faces are all looking at you and waiting for you to bring English to them in their classroom. You'll have a Chinese teacher helping you to explain some of the a lesson, and you will ask for volunteers for certain parts of the conversation practice, and it's very fun to have all these students who love you and respect you and enjoy and are enjoying your classes. However, it is for me, it is a bit of a struggle to work with that many students at one time that are on a lower level English because sometimes the audio may be difficult. Class 100 is also a new company that is building their platform and increasing their productivity. But it gives you a great deal of opportunity for growth also. So those are my experiences in trying out some different things to make sure that my online teaching income remains steady and consistent. So if you have some questions for me, connect with me on my Facebook, Teacher Diane ABC, and let's have a chat. Bye.